Okay.
third release note. Okay,
Okay.
for this print, we have added the footnote functionality, uh, monolingual export template, where we can export in a single language, and the localization, where we can see the website in
Mm,
multiple languages.
mm, mm, mm,
Yeah, so if we go to the apps and see how the footnote works. Now, if you open a text and if you want to create a footnote, you can just select the
mm,
text, and
mm-hmm.
this is the button for the footnote. You
Oh,
can
so great.
create a
I
footnote
see.
here. Hold
Uh-huh.
on. Right?
Okay.
So you can add the footnote, and it will mark here number two
Oh, so no need to do the numbering. It will do the numbering
automatically.
automatically.
Yeah, the number
I
will be
see. I
in
see.
order. So I have
I
already
see.
created a
Uh,
footnote here. That's why.
Oh, and then if you go to the footnotes, oh, it will show like that.
You can
Oh,
click here,
great.
and yeah, so it will show up here.
Oh, and then when we export, if we download, what does it look like then?
Yeah, the foot. So one of the feature we have on the footnote is like we can, if we are on a another scroll level, so we scroll down here, and we want to go to the
Mm-hmm.
actual footnote we created that, we can click here,
Mm.
and it will scroll you up there.
You click and it come back.
Yeah, it will come where the footnote is
Oh,
created.
that's great.
Okay.
That's great.
Now if we export it, so uh, the other release was the export option. So we have
Mm.
single single language export and with translation.
Mm,
So
mm,
if we
mm.
export in a single with the page view, give me it's really laggy. Can you see my Microsoft Word?
No, I'm seeing the editor.
Okay.
Oh, yes.
Okay, so this one is the exported file. So we create, we
So
have a footnote here. This one. So this one, we have the
where,
footnote here.
oh, okay. Can you go back to where the number, the numbers? Okay. So it is behind, right? Behind the.
Yeah, it's a bit, yeah. Actually, I what I thought yesterday was we were supposed to put the footnote above the text. So Kande suggested me like it should be behind the text.
Yeah, it's always behind.
Yeah,
Yes.
Kande told me that.
Mm,
So I updated that on the UI. So you can see that
okay.
in the UI we have the footnote behind the actual text. Footnote
Uh-huh.
number behind the actual text. But in this exported file,
Okay.
I'm yet to update that one. So I have to update that one.
Oh, okay.
Other than
Okay,
that, the
okay.
footnote
You
will
make
come
a
down. Yeah.
note. Yeah, it's a beautiful. This is amazing. You know, this is a function everyone's dreaming to have. It's a great job. Very, very good.
Okay.
Did it take a long time?
It was like 2 to 3 days, 2 to 3 days of work.
Oh, I see. Very good. So you'll make a note. The export file will also have the footnotes behind
Yeah,
the text, right?
yeah. I'm
Okay.
gonna take the note.
Um, is it any possibility the numbering will also appear in the chat place or not possible? I know it's probably a fixed feature.
So
You know where you type, I don't know, would you have the numbering there? will only appear numbers when after enter. You understand
Okay.
my question?
Yeah, yeah. We can do that, but it's like, is it necessary? So it will.
Hmm. It's more a habit that people like us who use Word,
Yeah,
we are used to seeing the footnotes happening with the number in front of it and actually in the footnote place, right?
yeah.
But now it's slightly different. So I'm just wondering if it's possible, it's great. If it's too much work, then maybe it's okay for now. Then we can get feedback from people first.
Yeah, we can
But
change
it's
it.
more about habit than anything else.
Okay. Uh,
Yeah.
so we can also implement that one. So when user create, user select a text, and right now what it happens is we open a model where user can put the content of the footnote. So we can
Yes.
implement that part where same like Microsoft Word. So user can create the
Oh,
footnote on the footnote itself below the page.
that's better. That's much better than having it pop up on the right
Yeah,
because the habit is the things that come on the right are comments from editors
yeah.
and footnotes is at where the footnotes are.
So user should be able to add the footnote on the footnote itself.
Yes, 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 yes. If it's possible, that's even better. And
Yeah.
then we leave the pop-up thing as comments.
Okay.
Do you have a comment option, right? I remember.
Yeah, we have a comment option. It's same like a
Yes,
footnote how I have implemented it.
I see. Okay, okay.
Okay.
So can you try that in the next sprint?
Yeah, we can. We can. I will note it down. So it's another feature that we are suggesting for the next sprint, actually, right?
Okay,
So yeah,
great.
but
Thank you.
uh, for the time being, I think this sprint is going to be for next to next week, I think, because we have another work pending. So I have to jump on that application for the time being.
Okay,
So I will
okay,
not be able to work on the translation editor for the time being, like 1 to 2 weeks,
okay,
2 weeks. So we have to postpone
okay,
the next sprint.
okay. Sure, sure. So in the meantime, okay, so let's, I think most of the main functionalities are there.
Mm.
Uh, the main thing is you have, remember last time we talked about the tokens, like
Yeah.
what's the token limit, right?
Mm.
Is this already decided? Because I'm going to let our translator try, and I might even record something in Chinese so they can test it. Yeah, you mentioned about localization.
Yeah. We have
I
also
saw it in
implemented.
your spring thing. So,
Yeah, you can see the
oh,
page,
okay.
right? Yeah. Okay.
Yeah,
Uh,
your Google Drive.
yeah. It's not Google Drive. It's our application.
Oh, right, right. Okay,
Yeah.
sorry,
It's if we can go,
sorry, sorry.
if we click on the profile and see, there's a language tab here. So we can change the language here.
Mm,
If we choose Chinese, like it will
okay.
update all the text in Chinese.
Oh, good.
Okay. And if we have Tibetan, Chinese, and English right now, but the translation are not good
Mm.
actually. It's all created by Claude.
Yeah. So how do we improve it?
So we are implementing Tolgi. Have you ever heard about Tolgi?
Which?
Tolgi, Tolgi, Tolg. This one.
Oh, I think they use it for Pecha.
Yeah, they are using it on Pecha.org, so you can just
Uh-huh.
update the text here, and it will all be changed here.
So I like to help with this before I record how to use it.
Okay.
So can you invite me to this platform or
Yeah, I can invite
how
you.
am I able to help with the correcting the Chinese?
I can invite you here. One minute. Members.
But this is a page chat, right? I should be.
No, this is not for Pecha. Pecha, that other dot Pecha.org. They are using another account of Tolkien,
Oh, I see.
so it's separate. but the technology is same. They are also using this Dolby.
I see. So if you can tell me where I do the editing, then I can work on that and then do the recording. But after I update it, it's automatically updated in your tool, or you have to
No, no, no. It's
correct it.
automatically coming there.
Ah, okay, great.
So I will
Okay, so
tell you how to do
mm,
that.
I give you my email address.
Yeah. Let me first. Okay. Oh no.
Yeah,
Copy.
they
Okay.
pasted the meeting.
Okay.
Mm,
Language translator. All languages. Translate all languages. Review. Okay. You should have
Okay, let me
email
check.
link.
Yeah, okay. I'm laughing. Google laughing. Okay, I can see page hat tool.
Yeah, you can see page two, right? So if you go inside that,
Uh-huh.
there's a language tab here.
Oh, okay.
So you
Let
can
me check.
go to Chinese and
Mm,
up. No, 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 not that one. 1 minute.
I can
Okay,
see
this one, the
the
translate one.
the two characters.
This one,
Yes, yes, I can see that. Yeah.
translation, and
Mm-hmm.
you can filter the
Mm-hmm.
translation by Chinese, actually, Chinese maybe. Okay, you can directly edit the text here, actually.
Um, okay.
If you go to the translation, you can directly edit you can
Okay.
refer to the English version and
Mm,
translate
mm.
that one.
Okay. Okay. And once I'm done, where do I press?
So once you're done, you can go to this one, the developer setting,
Mm-hmm.
and if you publish it, it will come to that page.
Perfect. Okay. I'll work on that.
Yeah. So I guess for now, the Chinese, there's also Tibetan version, which I think Gandhi will set up someone else for correcting
I
that one.
see. How come you have Tibetan now without being here?
We have Tibetan here. We can
Oh,
select
I
that.
see. This
We also have French. I have
oh,
only set up
French.
four language right
Mm,
now,
I see. I see. Okay.
but the
That's
French one
good.
is not in the app itself.
I see. Okay. So, in case, I'm just wondering, is it possible? Hmm, okay, because I'm thinking when I do the recording of how to use this tool,
Mm.
uh, do you have a recording from the past you can send to me? I can review again myself, refresh how to set up a new project and how to upload the file. You had our past meeting recording.
Okay, I don't have. I I think I have a video, but it's not like specific for how we use the application. So it was
Yeah.
a meeting,
Or can we have a
general meeting.
meeting? Can we have a way to you explain it and then I just do the Chinese?
Yeah, what I think is I can create a documentation for how to create and all those things, a file. So I with the screenshots, so I can send you that one.
That's great. That would be the best. Then I can just provide the Chinese version, right? Okay,
Right.
perfect. Then it's open for anyone to use, right?
Yeah, it's open to anyone for use. For
Okay,
right
great.
now, like we have, I think token limit of about, yeah, 1 lakh character. It's actually character.
I
1 lakh
see.
character
Okay.
allowed. So you can see the character limit here.
Mm-hmm.
It's right now 7,000, so it will translate this one using
Okay. And
string.
is this the best model? No one said it's tested and it's the best.
Yeah,
Last time we talked about.
3.7 is the best, I think, because the latest one is 4,
Okay.
but it's not good for translation, they're saying.
Okay. Okay.
We have also
Okay.
implemented
Great.
the Gemini one, but
Gemini.
I guess the team is saying like Gemini is have token limits, so they are currently using it for some translations in the Pecha, so they can't give you the
Oh,
access for this one. But in future,
I see.
we can have that one also. It's already implemented.
Oh, okay. 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 Great. Thank you. And currently, they are. We can translate Tibetan, Chinese, Sanskrit as well, right? In terms of Buddhist language, Pali.
Yeah, we can translate in like these languages: Chinese, Sanskrit,
Hmm.
Persian, literal Chinese, Italian, Hindi, English, Tibetan.
Okay. Great. Great. So you give me a documentation with all the
Screenshot.
steps,
Yeah,
and then I will make a Chinese version of that.
yeah.
I probably just make it bilingual so you can share with anyone as well.
I will create the documentation
Okay.
in English. So if
Okay.
it lacks anything, you can just tell me and I will update the
I did it.
documentation. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Great. Thank you so much. Such a good job. Anything else?
No,
Mm.
yeah. For the time being, Kande was also saying like you could have someone test this app, and for the next week,
Get
uh,
feedback.
yeah,
Mm.
next 2 weeks, I will be working on another app, and for
Mm.
the time being, the translation editor will not have any update going on.
Okay. Okay.
That was the
Perfect. This is already really good. We are going to test it. Thank you.
okay. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Okay.
Bye.
Please thank the team. Thank
Oh yeah.
you. Okay. Bye bye.